coming.
Go on. That guy don't know his shadow from a hole in the ground.
You'll freeze to death if you stay here.
And you won't have any food either.
Don't worry about me. I got plenty of food. And right now, I'm going swimming. Must be hard water in this lake. Blow your head off. See if I can. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food. Go on and blow. Hey, come back here with my food.
I'm that hungry little kitty cat you just read about. I'm so hungry I could eat a woodpecker. Yeah, that's it.
Pardon me, buddy. That's probably the grocery man. Come in. You're just in time for dinner.
Yeah? What are you going to have for dinner?
I'm going to have catfish.
Yeah?
Let me take your scarf off.
You know, I think that pigeon tried to choke me.
You must be pretty cold, buddy.
No, I ain't cold.
Oh, yes, you are. Step over by the fire and get warm for dinner. Oh, boy. Feline fricassee.
Pigeon, I'm going to pick you dry. but you know I'm still hungry.
Yeah? So am I.
Little Bo Peep had lost her sheep while out in the meadow green. They wandered close by some wolves who were sly, and soon by these wolves they were seen. Nasty old wolves dressed one of their kind to look like little Bo Peep. Out he did go with one thought in mind, to capture the poor little sheep. What fiends!
What lamb chops!
Mighty Mouse! He's off! Mighty Mouse proves again that he's the champion of sheep and men.
Getting out of the wrong side of the bed. For that, you can almost drop dead. Break a wishbone, and if you get the big end, your wish will come true, and your troubles will end. Gosh, I wish I had a bird for breakfast. Aha! I get my wish. If you whistle before breakfast, you'll cry before dinner.
Listen to the mockingbird, listen to the mockingbird, still singing where the weeping willows wave. I'm dreaming now of Hallie, sweet Hallie, sweet Hallie. She's sleeping in the alley, and the mockingbird is singing where she lies. Listen to the mockingbird. How'd I get in here? Man, you gotta straighten up and fly right. Looks like I've been invited for dinner.
See a pin, pick it up, and all the day you'll have good luck.
Ain't he superstitious? That's all I wants to know. Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Boss, I hate to interrupt you when you's eating, but you done spilled the salt.
Yikes! If you spill salt, throw it over your shoulder or you won't live to be much older. Come out wherever you are.
Here I is, boss.
Yikes! A ladder. Hey, if you go under a ladder, your days will grow sadder and sadder.
Thanks for the information, boss.
Oh, that's all right, pal. Put it here.
Why not? In the house with an open umbrella will make you a most unfortunate fella. Bread and butter.
on a Mac.
And you wind up in the booby hatch. You'll be sorry. Peekaboo.
Oh, this is hard luck.
That's right, boss. 7 years hard luck.
Did you say 7 years hard luck?
That's what the man said. That's what he said. He said that.
Yipe! A black cat! A black cat! A black cat!
Afraid of a black cat. My. Is he super duperstitious? Look, Friday the 13th, not wood. Salt. Rabbit's foot. Horseshoe. Not wood. Salt. Rabbit's foot. Horseshoe. Not wood. Salt. Rabbit's foot. Horseshoe.
Good afternoon. Oh, so you're looking for a place to live. Well, look no further, friend. Look no further. Ooh, I got just a little place for you. Just for a little place for you and your woman. Oh, way up there, way up there. Oh, thank you. You made a good buy. Peachy pie. Ooh, you'll like it very much.
Now, just a minute. Now, after all, we've been through this thing before. Shut up. Shut up! Now, listen. I'm not going to pull up. But this way. Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Say, fellas, the boss asked me to ask you if you'd mind being a little more quiet. He's trying to sleep.
Well, what did they say?
They said if you'd mind your business, they'd mind theirs.
They're talking about all you ever do is squawk. Straight up!
Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. America and all the ships at sea. Let's go to press. Flash. Do you have a magpie in your home? If you do, you are most fortunate. The magpie is the most charming bird in all the world. He is the best friend the farmer ever had. Treat him gently.
Treat him kindly. And always remember, the magpie deserves your respect.
Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir. I've just a little article you need, guaranteed to cure all headache. Now I'll tell you what I'm going to do.
I ain't got no headache.
Oh, yes, you have, brother.
Who knows what will happen next? The shadow knows.
Well, well, well. If it ain't the little flower. That was fun. Let's try it again.
Maggie, my dear, would you mind asking those uncouth neighbors to be a little more quiet?